we're gonna do a breakdown on this cleaning. First off, you're not supposed to use a pressure washer on these. You run a risk of damaging the panels. However, seems like the one he used there is low pressure. I don't know why he's putting soap on there. You don't want to put soap on the panels because it does deteriorate the different coatings that they put on these PV panels in order to absorb the maximum amount of UV rays to produce the maximum amount of electricity. They have an anti-reflective coating and a hydrophobic coating, and putting any kind of aggressive chemicals or cleaning agents on that definitely to make them deteriorate a little faster. Now, what he's doing here is he's standing on the panels. There's so many things wrong with this. These are not designed to be standing on. I see what he's doing. He's trying to minimize standing directly on the face of the panel by trying to stand on the frames. That's also a big problem. Another big problem that I see here is he's wearing flip-flops. Now, I don't recommend being on a super slippery, tilted surface while wearing flip-flops and it's wet. I mean, there's so many things that are wrong. If he could crack one of these panels and expose the innards of these, he's at high risk of electrocution. Watching this video, he had said that he has been doing this method like this for 10 years and he hasn't seen any damage. I think it might be time to go buy a lottery ticket. I will never do this. I'll never ever use a pressure washer on panels, and I'll never ever use cleaning agents on panels. A water-fed pole with the filtration system is always the way to go. You got to protect yourself, and your safety should always be first and foremost on any project. I mean, just standing on these panels, oh my God, it hurts me to watch this. I mean, I'm not a solar panel manufacturer. I'm just a YouTuber. I'm not a solar panel installer. I'm not a technician, so I don't know if you can, but this just looks wrong. It feels wrong. Everything about this is wrong. So if you guys are gonna get out there and start cleaning solar panels, whether it's for your business or just your own personal solar panels, please don't stand on the panels in flip-flops while you're spraying foam agents onto the panels. They're not designed for that. All you got to do is make sure you use pure water, distilled water. If you really want to go a next level, you could use RO and distilled water. RO just means reverse osmosis. That's like drinking water. Distilled water is just removing all of the trace minerals that are usually left behind that leave spots, you know, hard water and stuff. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you made it this far in the video and you're still watching, put a lucky day, because every lucky day he's had in the last 10 years, he's used it cleaning these solar panels. Props to you, bud. I don't know, seems pretty sketchy. If you'd like to start a solar panel cleaning business, but you're not sure where to start, you came to the right place, because I actually put together the Solar Panel Cleaning Academy with some friends of mine, and it goes over everything from A to Z, from basics to advanced. On-site demos, we talk about water purification. I give away my exact marketing strategy that keeps me busy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it right from the get-go without having to scroll through YouTube and hours of content, click the link in the description below and get started. Hit the subscribe button, the like button if you like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.